In a world that never stops moving, there's magic hidden in the stillness. Look closer. Every drop of rain on these green leaves is a universe in itself, a reflection of peace, design, and life. Welcome to a moment where nature and modern living breathe as one. Perfection doesn't always live in architecture or technology. Sometimes it lives in the quiet rhythm of nature. The soft light across these wet leaves, the shimmer of dew beneath the sun, the silence that says more than words ever could. Modern yards are more than spaces. They are living galleries. Concrete paths weave through soft moss. Steel lines blend with vines, and the soul of nature hides between textures of glass and green. It's not just design, it's balance. Watch how the morning sun touches every leaf, turning droplets into diamonds. The reflections dance across glass walls, whispering stories of new beginnings. In this small corner of earth, light and life speak the same language. And then the rain returns, soft, gentle, eternal. Every drop renews what was fading, washing dust into beauty and silence into sound. The modern yard breathes again, as the wet leaves glisten like emeralds beneath the sky. When we slow down long enough to see, we realize that even the smallest leaf can hold the universe. Beauty isn't built, it's found, one drop at a time. So next time you step outside, don't just walk past. Pause and let nature remind you what peace truly looks like.